Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress.org. This powerful, open-source content management system allows you to build any type of website, from a simple blog to a complex e-commerce store. Unlike WordPress.com, the .org version gives you complete control over your site, requiring self-hosting. You'll manage your own files, database, and updates, offering unparalleled flexibility and customization options for your online presence. To get started, you'll need a web host that supports PHP version 7.4 or higher, and MySQL or MariaDB version 5.6 or higher. The famous 5-minute installation process is incredibly straightforward. You'll download the software, create a database, and run the installer. After a few simple steps, including setting your site title and administrative details, your WordPress site will be ready for content. Once installed, you'll navigate to your WordPress dashboard, the central hub for managing your site. Here, you can easily create new posts for your blog or static pages for essential information using the intuitive block editor. Organize your content with categories and tags, and upload images or videos to your media library. This structured approach helps keep your website content well organized and easy for visitors to navigate. Customizing your site's appearance is simple with thousands of free and premium themes available. Themes control the visual design, layout, and overall look of your website. To extend functionality, you can choose from tens of thousands of plugins. These add features like contact forms, search engine optimization, or enhanced security. With the right theme and plugins, you can transform your WordPress site into almost anything you envision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.